And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature.
Hi guys, I hope you are well. Welcome to this new vlog. I'm sure that this is going to be a new vlog. The last time we would have caught up is when I was coming back from Durban from my trip, Eastern Cape, guys. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Kweli Kaya Letali Futumeleyo. I hope you stay and I hope that you will get to enjoy a content as a creator. Hoping that you will relate to one or two things. Kweli Kaya. My old subbies, my day ones. Oh, Nina, konde ningayaziyo, guys. Love you guys, Landoya Gudala, and I thank you for always supporting me. Kule journey. Kaya lethu likhulile, guys. We are way over 500 subscribers. And as noba kwenzeka kanjani, ndithe ndivuka the other day, I'm like, hayibo, kwenzeka ntoni? Next thing, hayibo. Guys, we road to 1K. Most never need to go road to 1K. I'm loving it for us, Kesana. I'm loving it for us. Guys, I haven't been vlogging because this week has been hectic. From the 2nd, in fact, from the 30th of December up until this point. So we found out that a friend of ours passed away. So I'm still heavy about that. I haven't been fine. I've been a roller coaster. Emotions. So as it is in Tivelo office in Ngoko, the time is okay, I don't know, 13:08. Yabo, 13:08. I'm fixing to go to a airport. Sorry guys, I don't know. Yeah, Kata, I'm fixing to go to an airport. As you can see, Indozam currently all over the place. So ndizamuqoqa yonke into. Ne, flight yam ingo 5. So I'm trying to do something quickly and then rush off to the airport. So I'm gonna show you guys the journey. Obviously they are in for the Saturday, but I'm gonna fly down to a PE, then get to Abongile. Uabo. Must get that right. I'm gonna get Uabo. Well, I'm gonna go with Uabo from a PE, then I'll drive her to Mthatha Ngomso, which is gonna be the Friday, the 9th of January 2026. Then get 10 January is the funeral. A funeral is Abasem Anduli, one of the lalis there. Guys, yeah, my heart is heavy, but it is what it is. Bubomi, it's very unpredictable. I've asked God so many times why, but Naya's no answer. For now, it will not make sense, or yet you will not get it. But again, in time, God will reveal himself. And yeah, hopefully we'll heal from this. And yeah, but it's still very new. It's still very shocking. So also, if I vlog you guys until February, please understand. I'm going through it. So yeah, I've already packed. Took me way less time than I thought. Now, here's my problem with the packing. But this time around, guys, I promised in 30 minutes, I was done. I was like, yeah, I'm not changing anything. Okay, the only thing I need is a vest. So let me just take 1 or 2 vests, then 100% done. 100% done. And I'm only taking the small bag and then the other bag, the brown bag. Yeah. Not that white one, the brown one. Yeah. Then Diamenayo. Come with us, guys, or come with me until it's an us. Classes are traveling from PE to Mthatha. Awesome. See you on the road.
I've never had the best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around you broke me down like I never thought you could. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me. I talk about you, what can I say? You make it damn easy to do. You're a James Dean, Steve McQueen kinda cool. It could be sunrise or late nights, I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough, and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on this side of love. I like it on this side of love, because it's right, believe me. They say the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence, but I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away. Yeah, I see it. I was always meant to reach this place on this side of love, with you on this side of love. I say, it's unlike I ever knew. You say, 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. But for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough, and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on this side of love. Yeah, I like it on this side of love. This side of love. This side of love. This side of love.
Guys, I'm being treated. My friend is out. I'm being treated. Oh. Thanks. Guys, we have a new problem. And this is a child under here. Betty was for the past 30 minutes. Oh, this is a teenage. What time is it now? The bedroom. Lisa, what's happening to Zola? Zola and Max. Is it dinner? Oh, funny. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kelly. So, I'm good night, guys. He's not budging, guys. How long do you want to do that, bro? Tata kubani kani ngwebethuna utata kubani kani mntana yo bethuna. Morning guys, I don't think you'll hear me. Today is what's the date today? The 2026. Oh. We're at the filling station. Siyahamba sise-PE ngoku. Siya eMthatha for the funeral. Do you know Abo? She's still busy. We're filling up. So sanibona apha endleleni ke wethu. There isn't anything much nyani, but nisazonibulisa kakuhle and welcome you to the channel. Okay. Nkosini guys for inkxaso yenu always, and yeah, see you on the road. Saqasisa umntana epulini qala for swimming lessons. So that's what I want to be doing. Mntwana ufuna no? Kana no? Ngibona ipuli. His favorite. This doesn't make sense. Ngabona isanti apha kodwa kuza ngamanye amanzi. So where's Paul's? Oh, I love this. jonga yongena umntanakho
ufika bakhe
undwebile
ayikho lesikhathi kudala wayena hamba Asithandaze lisofa indlela.
yes
Nkosi yami sithandaze ngoba ifamily bendikukhona ngibeseluleyo kuba ndikukhona mntanami zonke nabani na ocele ukubi ngomngcwabo kathandukazi ebomi kathandukazi ifamily ekaphosiki wena nkosi yami akuzoyivumela loo nto.
Yes, God.
Abantwana bakho bakwethembile khawuzibonakalise ke mezulu leyo siyakuthandaza le nkosi sikholwa ukuthi zonke izinto sizicelayo kuye wena sowusifezile ke mezulu leyo siyakhulela
Hi guys, so apha ke bese sihamba sisiya on our way to Emqanduli. Besizawudlula ke eBisho and drop off uLiso Ebos kid and then siqhubeka thina ngendlela. Guys, this was a very difficult time in my life. Kungoku we are still trying to deal with it, but ke sithembe uYehova kwinto yonke. Kuyadlula kodwa ke kuse heavy. So yeah guys, I'm gonna take a break from vlogging for some time, but I'll be back for sure. But ke let's enjoy this vlog and ndiyabulela guys for being on this journey with me. Enkosini kakhulu.
Guys, we're now in Tanzania. We are out here fetching Abo. I'm so happy. Abo unfumanele charger. Guys, my phone was out. And ndinesi type charger. But Abo ngile emotweni unale USB, the normal one. So now I have the normal one. So ndiyakwazi to charge. I'm so excited. I'm gonna create the content, continue. And yeah, we are fetching Ebo 2. There's Ebo and Ebo. Go abongile bobabini guys. I'll tell you guys a story one day. Go abongile bobabini. They are the funniest people ever. Sometimes I need to be the voice of reason between the two Ebos. Guys, sikhule. Besize rascal so by 3. Bekuba ngcono mna nothando yongilosolekileyo esiyam entweni yakhe emngcwabeni wakhe. We'd be the voice of reasons. The two Ebos abeva bajongene nawo sebeloqa. Yep. I'm gonna be laughing the whole way to Mthatha. So we're gonna be driving now to Mthatha and it's my turn to drive. Uabongile udrive from APE to Ebisho. So yeah guys, come along. So I'm about good spirits guys. No bagumbe kusombre, it's very sombre. I know Emotweni is probably gonna be another thing. I probably won't vlog that, but ngoku. Oh, phangemva guys. I need to go. Bona later.
Your crazy blue eyes. I think about Manhattan. I don't know what happened, but I miss those times. Holding my hands on the subway so I wouldn't fall, still down I'd go, and you'd pick me up. Whether on those trains or when I felt low, running through streets like taxi cabs. I didn't know how good we had everything with us. Just know I miss it bad. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway. Hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Diner. Can't sleep when you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. City, city, city. Do you remember Brooklyn? We were so good back then. What a mess we made. From kisses on the river, from gold to silver, now we're just in gray. From sneaking our way into rooftop skies, drunken songs of you and I, to nothing at all. It breaks my heart asking why, when we put city lights to shame, lit up streets with both our names. The love stood so tall, and there'll never be one the same. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway. Hear me singing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Diner. Can't sleep when you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me when you go back, even though it's over. There's no second go. I like to think that maybe we'll live forever on every road that used to belong to you and me. In New York City, I hope you think of me on every pavement, mostly in Brooklyn, favorite. It won't be easy. You go back and see I left traces of my heart from upstate down to Central Park. So you'll think of me when you go back to the city. Go back, when you go back, when you go back to the city. Go back, when you go back, when you go back to the city.
Baba wele safe, and yes, I also don't imagine.
That's the only thing they're gonna do.
Influences queen.
I might as well take content. But I'm not gonna take too much. Oh, the picture. That's funny. Who tell me you jump away with this? So yeah, I swear. There's a dog.
Mthandazo uprepare izinto zenu for imini yakusasa ze siqonde ngoba le nto kukufa kanti akhona omnye umuntu ophila emhlabeni ongasitofa xa lifikile ithuba elikholekileyo uthini. Loo nto ke ndiye ndithande into yoba bangene abantwana bekhaya xa bebona.
Black, sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I was spoiling the Black. Good morning, guys. I hope you are well. Namhlanje sivuka kwa momnci notamnci. Bekusagcwele ke on the other side, so sincedakele sazolala. Nanku momnci uzavela ku-YouTube channel yami mfana. Awubale kumomnci. Guys, basihoste kamandi sileli kakuhle, although sileli for 3 hours because sileli nge-1 savuka ngo-4 ku-5 a.m. ngoku. Yeah, umzimba uzawufika endlini, so we all have to go ke ngoku to endlini, and then the reality is slowly sinking in, and but anyway, sithembe uThixo kulo msebenzi. It's looking gloomy, but ingathi izawudlula kube right. Okay guys, sabuye sketch up. Bye bye.
Xa ifike eBhisho athi yena uye eBhisho Gardens elalini, abuze ke ngoku konoteksi wakhe ba xa ise eBhisho Gardens uzokuhlika phi.
You've been losing sleep, crying in the dark, trying to hold the weight of a broken heart. You smile for the world, but inside it's pain. You pray but feel like nothing's changed. You're trying to fix it, trying to stay strong, but some battles ain't yours to fight alone. You've done all you can, now here's the key. Peace starts when you set it free. You tried. Some storms are only his to fight. It ain't worth your peace, it ain't worth your tears. You don't have to carry what he's willing to clear. Take your hands off, let him do his part. Let go and let God. You keep blaming yourself for what you couldn't change. Keep rehearsing the past, reliving the pain. But healing don't come from holding on tight. Sometimes strength is knowing when to surrender the fight. It's okay to fall, it's okay to rest. It's okay to say, Lord, I did my best. Now watch how he moves when you step aside. Sometimes your silence gives him room to provide. Let go, let God give him control. It ain't your job to carry every soul. You weren't built to bleed for every scar. Some things are only healed by who God is, not who you are. It ain't worth your joy, it ain't worth the stress. You deserve peace, you deserve rest. So lift your hands up and soften your heart. Let go and let God.
Sisithatha phi momnci? Just Mr. Westwood.
Oh, sithatha from here
To that side. In the house. Ndisifuna from.
with Bixi. Okay, asithuthe ke then.
Asithuthe then.
Okay. Asithuthe sisapha
Endlini siphaya. Okay. Abongile is eating this. Morning yabo. Okay, it's cool. I'll do far.
Yeah, possible.
When you're looking like this red in the morning. Sorry. Exactly. Ngokuba ngakanje sizaphangela sawusebenza kamanje. Oh shemakhweza abadinwe bawo. Abalelani babuye egoli. Bathetha kaloku ufuna belungise izinto. Baze ngemoto eziyi2. Why? Bekufuneka kulungiswe izinto kwelacala before kuziwa apha. Ugqityezelwa ke la. So why beze nge2 cars? Because baninka abantu. Kugcwele kwe-1 then kwenye I think bahamba bebayi2. So bona bathi xa befika bathi buya xa besezawungena bathi hayi buyani siseba-afbob. So abalelanga at all.
Let go, let God. He never fails, even when life feels like hell.
Kanti xa singena luqobo siyasibhekela ebantwini, asisapheleli nathi siphele nabantu. Lo nesiciko ophelele wena uphelela lam ubuyavela ukuntu behlaba ezikhulu uyaphepha ukuntu behlabayo ezikhulu kutavithe kutheni le nto singenoba nalo uxolo sesiphakathi enkonzweni.
Igama lami ngi-Abongikamanga, uprogram director ke utata ecankwam lethemba singabulisi ngifundisile ke abantu abadala kodwa ke utata apha ecankwam sendibulisele. Ndingaphika ndadibana noThandokazi ngo-2008 ufika kwam e-University of Pretoria. Sifuna ngokugqibela abantu abalalayo, so zilale ke iitshomi zethu ooMax nooTots nabanye bebekhona kulaa trip. So thina ke ngoku ngenxa yoba singafuni thina ulala sifuna bavuke sibe nento yoba sizabatyisa iColgate ngokubelele. Ubatyisa kwethu iColgate ngokubelele batyiswa ndim noAbongile. Ndifuna uyi-admitha le nto namhlanje, ndiyaqala uyi-admitha ngale platform. Uyabona ke kwenzeka ntoni xa uhlele egumbini unabafundisi uyaconfessa. Sibatyise iColgate mna noAbongile iitshomi zethu utogqiba sibaleke siphume erumini. Xa beqala uvuka bekhala ungene uMax, so bathi xa bevuka bacinga batyiswe nguMax neColgate. Now because uThandokazi eyazi character kaAbongile usister wakhe eyazi neyami character avese ayazi ba aba bantu batyiswe ndim leColgate, so kuyaxatyana ke ngokaPatrick. Now how could Max do this? uThandokazi asibe ecaleni athethe nathi ba guys ndiyanicela nithethe inyani because ngoku siyaxabana ePetripini ngento endiyaziyo mna ba yenziwe nini. So uThandokazi was that kind of a person. She was very quiet, but in her being quiet she was just, uThandokazi was for justice. Zangathi ngalamini kuba inguAbongile wakokwabomoshileyo aqonda uba makathathe icala likaAbongile, but wayeyazi into yoba ke makamele inyani. Ndandimthanda ke uThandokazi kwezi tripu zethu because thina silapho sithanda thina uthetha, asikho kakhulu ukuya phaa ezimbizeni nasekitchen. Njengoba sithetha thina akasiphekeli uThandokazi. Le nto yakhe yopheka uThandokazi zangiqale ngalaa mini wayesiya kwi-chef school, but uThandokazi noba uye kwam noba uye kaMax uyapheka apha ekitchen. Siyathetha thina nodade wabo elounge, siyayazi into yoba ugqiba kwethu kathetha uThandokazi usiphekele ukutya.
Sizii-brothers zikaThandokazi, noko uThandokazi bekhuselwe ngumkhulu, kodwa ke zikhona ezinye izinto esingakwazi umkhusela kuzo. Sibuhlungu ukulahlekelwa uThandokazi, kuba uThandokazi ebenentliziyyo enkulu. Besithanda ke ukumthiza phambili sithi hey yazibona ungakanani Thandokazi ufike kangaka, intliziyo yakho ayisenkulu noku ifitha kanjani kulo mzimba wakho. But ke uThandokazi ke njengobenivile, was an international chef. That is not a small feat. Yinto enkulu leyo. And waqala kancinci waye enyuka because ebeyi-hardware. Bekungamelanga uba ndiyathetha ngoku into bezothetha ibindoda yethu abendini, kodwa ke akazukwazi kuba uyiqondile uba ingaba buhlungu kakhulu uma apha athethe ngothandakazi. Kodwa ke utshilo uye wasiyala wathi soze ivule lemini engatshongo engadlulisanga mazwi ngothandakazi. So ndizocela uba ubhalise la recording.
Ndibulisa abafundisi, ootata nomama nolutsha. Mna nethandakazi sikhule kunye nosisi wakhe omdala. Besi-close apho ndikhoyo naye bekhona. Iitshomi zam bezide zibe ziitshomi zakhe. Saziwa abana asihlukani, abantu bababona mna bazondibuza ngothandakazi, bababona uthandakazi bazondibuza uthandakazi ngam. Sithethe ekukhuleni kunye, besisenza izinto sobabini, besithenga impahla ababini esikolweni okanye sithenge sobabini esikolweni ngamanye amaxesha. Ekukhuleni kwethu ke sike sahlukana kancinci, kodwa ukuthetha besingeke siye ukuthetha ngoba sijabulene kangakanani. Ndikhumbula ngemini ibiyimini yam yokuzalwa, uthandakazi ebethanda ukuthi xa singaphesheya ke andisendele ikeyiki yebhede yam ebhalwe Queenville because yindlela abendibiza ngayo. Mna ke ngeyakhe imini yokuzalwa ndimsendela amatikiti yokuhamba kwindawo libizwa Wild apho kukhona amanzi, kube khona ii-slides, indawo yokudlala because uthandakazi uyithanda into ene-adventure. Uthandakazi ebethanda ukupheka kakhulu. Nangoba esikhula sakhe saqala igrupu yoculo sizibiza i-Bad Stories, yena igama lakhe yayizibiza uDebra Z. Sithi ngeke sizoba zimvumi, kodwa wathi wayeka xa isithi obana yho hayi siyayiloza ngeke. Into endiyithanda kakhulu nokupheka. Yes ke abantu abaninzi bemazi as uchef emsebenzini wakhe. Ekhaya besesimbize uTikaz Thando.
You gave up, it means you gave it over. You finally trusted that he got you. Now breathe, let it be. Let go, let God. He never fails, even when life feels like hell. You don't need to carry what's crushing your soul. You just need to trust and let it go. Your peace is sacred, your heart deserves